What's good, y'all? HB Punch and Profit. Beautiful trade this morning. But y'all know me. I take my 50 points and I run away with it. But if you're somebody who likes those big runs, it would have been there easy money. 150 plus points, may even run up to 200. It was kind of funny because the other day somebody commented down below one of my videos and said I had a very inefficient way of trading and I should trade patterns. And I just laughed because it's just like there's not one way to do this, man. And to each his own, right? Like if trading patterns works for you, if you see the market in a more clear fashion, then trade patterns. Whatever your style is, supply and demand, ICT. This isn't even my strategy. This is ICT, right? All I do is just tweak it to my liking, right? I made a few adjustments to what fits my schedule and my personality. But it's look, at the end of the day, do what works for you. Observe other people's strategies, maybe implement it, try it, experiment with it, and if you don't like it, you know, dispose of it. But to sit there and say, "Oh, well that's inefficient way of trading." Well, maybe for you, but not for me. I'm making money, I'm passing challenges. I'm starting my own account, so I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's all that matters at the end of the day. Are you making money? Are you passing challenges? Are you adding more accounts? Are you, starting to build your own, your own account? So that's all that matters at the end of the day. Do what works for you. Anyhow, let's break it down. If this is too complicated, I don't know what to tell you. So one, we have a higher time frame point of interest we drop down from, okay, and from the 9:30 opening, okay. This gray box represents that higher time frame point of interest. This is a higher time frame PD rate. That's all it is. We then create this inversion in the orange box, bearish fair value gap, bullish fair value gap right here. If you didn't see this volume imbalance, you may have not considered this a bullish fair value gap. So devil's in the detail, pay attention. That's where I enter immediately as soon as we close. Okay, we also have this advanced market structure shift, further confirmation. We close above it. If you didn't get in here, you could have got in here. Little to no drawdown, as you see. Okay, you could have wrote it for 50 points from here. You could have wrote it for 50 points from here. Or if you did it the A plus way, you get in here. Okay, you add on here at the advanced market structure shift. Okay, you take profit at 50 points and then you let a runner just do its thing. And you would have, made a killing today. Now I will be moving my stop up from the low to the inversion moving forward. I want to manage my risk. I'm getting more money in my funded account, so I have a little bit more of a cushion to play with, and I'm going to be messing around with some NQ contracts. So what I will do is I will move my stop up moving forward just below the inversion, okay? Because usually when these big massive moves happen, it's not retracing. You're going to get a breakaway gap, and it's just going, right? Sometimes it does, but that's why we have the stop just below the uh, the inversion, right? It gives us a little room to work with. And if it goes below that, usually it's not going to be valid for a big move. Sometimes it will move up, right? It can retrace deep back to the low and then make a decent move up. But I'm not looking for that anymore, right? I've built enough of a cushion and I'm not really interested in having a perfect win percentage anymore. I'm more interested in getting my risk to reward in my favor over the long haul, right? So we can be very profitable over the long term. So I will be moving my stop just below. I will lose a few more trades, okay, but that's no big deal because when I do win, I'm going to have these massive moves that cover for those minor losses. So yeah, you could have entered in at the inversion a little late. Easy 50 points as you see there. Advanced market structure shift at the yellow line. Easy 50 points. It's just how you want to skin the cat, man. And if you want to, you can keep your stop down here. It's a matter of what you do and what you're comfortable with and what makes it convenient. So this is a beautiful style. I don't know too many ways of trading that can offer you 100 to 150 plus points consistently, or 50 points for me personally a week repetitively. So this is HB Punch and Profit. Comment down below, like the video, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, God bless. Stay safe. Peace.